It's nice to be able to be here, like boots on the ground, on the Rideau Trail, and walk the course of our journey that we're going to make this summer.
Yeah. Kind of cold. It's hard to imagine what it's going to look like in summer, you know? Hopefully there won't be all this white stuff.
Well, this winter, since we're locked down from COVID anyway, we're going to try and hike all the pieces of the Rideau Trail, many of which actually run along the actual canal that we will paddle next summer.
The steeple on this church, it's unbelievable. I was going to say, only in Canada can you be like trudging through ice and snow, and you pass an old woman on the trail and she says, "Beautiful weather, isn't it?"
Well, better than that. Look at this.
I know. Oh my God, there's a rink.
There's a impromptu hockey rink. And I sure didn't expect to see so many people out here, or this completely iconic Canadian scene of a homemade skating rink on the frozen canal. Next summer we could camp out in this little shelter here.
Yeah? Okay.
See if you fit.
I think my feet might hang out the end. First time I've ever seen like this scene where people shovel the snow off the canal or pond and go skating, yeah. So this is the type of small town that is pretty typical along the Rideau Canal that we will explore by bicycle on our paddling journey.
So this is Burritts Rapids, and we're just walking along the Rideau Trail on the tip-to-tip trail, just to get a sense of like the canal and the river and where the portages are. What a beautiful day. Shoveling the Rideau Canal. So, good. Conditions are incredible. So what do you think, hun? Do you want to go shovel a rink?
You know, I really would, but my back, my back is just not, sorry. Maybe next week.
All right, there's the Rideau River. And I'm going to just ease past the trail. And there is the Rideau Canal with channel markers and everything.
Right, so we'll be coming up the Rideau Canal.
Yep.
Because there's a waterfall in the river that we can't get over.
That's right. So what are you scared about on this, preparing for this trip? What's in the back of your mind as worries?
Not a worry. It's just that I know that I'm going to be uncomfortable.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I'm an orthopedic nightmare.
Yeah.
So I know that my joints are going to hurt and my knees are going to hurt, especially my knees,
Yeah.
So for me, it's more like, I'm not, it's all internal fears, like that my body won't hold up. So what are your fears for this trip? Do you have any?
My biggest anxiety, I actually want you to have a really, really good time and a really, really good experience. And I'm a little concerned about your knees.
Yeah, my greatest fear is just my body giving out,
I know.
For 64 years, I beat the crap out of myself.
So this is why we have locks. Because that would be a little too sporty in our little kayaks.
So part of the attraction for me It's like all this cool old engineering. You know, this stuff's been here since the 1830s. And they still use it. It's still maintained and they still use it. It's all hand cranked, human powered, just like our trip. I'm gonna need a hot bath when this is over.
You mean the journey or today?
Today.